Will AI take over all work? In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, has sparked both excitement and fear about its potential impact on the workforce. Will AI take over all work, leaving humans obsolete in the job market? This video aims to explore this question by delving into the current capabilities of AI, the historical impact of automation on jobs, AI's penetration in various industries, its limitations in the workplace, the potential for AI to create new jobs, and how we can prepare for an AI-driven future. Understanding AI and its current capabilities. Artificial intelligence embodies the complex process of mimicking human intelligence through the capabilities of machines. This encompasses a broad spectrum of functions such as learning from data, making decisions based on this learning, and even correcting their own errors to enhance future performance. The advancements in AI technology have been profound, propelling it from a mere conceptual entity to a tangible force driving innovation across multiple domains. Today, AI systems have reached a level of sophistication where they can undertake tasks that were traditionally the domain of humans. These range from navigating vehicles autonomously on our roads to offering personalized recommendations and assistance through digital platforms. The prowess of AI is not just confined to executing program tasks. It extends to learning from interactions and improving over time, a feature evident in the algorithms that power predictive text and voice recognition technologies that have become integral to our daily digital interactions. The progress in machine learning, a subset of AI focusing on the ability of machines to learn from and interpret data without being explicitly programmed for every task, has been a key driver behind these capabilities. This evolution in AI's capabilities is not just reshaping our daily lives, but is also setting the stage for a future where AI's role in society and industry becomes increasingly central, heralding changes that, while unpredictable in their full impact, promise to redefine the boundaries of what machines can achieve. The historical impact of automation on jobs. The conversation around automation's role in the workforce is steeped in history, echoing concerns and patterns that have unfolded over centuries. The introduction of machinery during the Industrial Revolution, for instance, drastically transformed manufacturing jobs, leading to significant societal shifts. While some laborers found themselves displaced, new roles emerged that were previously unimaginable, demonstrating the dual nature of technological progress. In the 20th century, the advent of computers and the internet further accelerated changes in the job market, automating tasks in sectors like telecommunications and data entry. Yet alongside these shifts, entirely new fields were born, including software development, digital marketing, and cybersecurity. Illustrating a consistent trend, while automation can displace certain jobs, it concurrently spurs the creation of new markets and opportunities for employment. This historical perspective provides valuable insight into the current discourse on AI and work, underscoring the complexity of predicting its impact. Just as past technological advancements have led to both job displacement and creation, AI is likely to continue this pattern. However, the scale and speed at which AI is developing present unique challenges and opportunities, necessitating a nuanced understanding of its potential effects on the workforce. AI's penetration in various industries. AI's transformative impact is being felt across numerous sectors, each harnessing its power to innovate and enhance operational efficiencies. In the realm of healthcare, AI's prowess is evident as it revolutionizes diagnostic processes, personalizes patient care through predictive analytics, and accelerates the pace of research for new treatments. The financial sector similarly benefits from AI's capabilities, employing advanced algorithms for risk assessment, fraud detection, and automating trading strategies, thereby optimizing financial services for clients and institutions alike. The transportation and logistics industry is undergoing a significant transformation with the integration of AI, improving route optimization, fuel efficiency, and facilitating the development of autonomous vehicles. Meanwhile, manufacturing sees the adoption of AI in predictive maintenance, supply chain management, and the automation of repetitive tasks, leading to increased productivity and reduced operational costs. In the entertainment and media sectors, AI is reshaping content creation, distribution, and consumption, offering personalized experiences to audiences and streamlining production processes. Additionally, in the realm of customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are enhancing the consumer experience by providing 247 support and personalized assistance. The broad applicability of AI across these industries underscores its role as a pivotal driver of innovation and efficiency. The limitations of AI in the workplace. Despite the remarkable advancements in AI technology, its application in the workplace is not without its challenges. One of the most significant limitations is AI's inability to replicate the nuanced understanding and emotional depth inherent in human interaction. Jobs that rely on interpersonal skills, empathy, and moral judgment remain largely out of reach for AI. For instance, professions in social work, counseling, and healthcare require a level of emotional intelligence that AI cannot emulate, highlighting the irreplaceable value of human touch in certain sectors. Another area where AI falls short is in tasks that demand high levels of creativity and innovation. While AI can generate data-driven insights and even produce creative content to a certain extent, it lacks the intrinsic ability to conceive original ideas or think abstractly in the way humans can. The spontaneity and unpredictability of human creativity often lead to breakthrough innovations, a domain where AI's structured algorithms struggle to compete. Additionally, AI systems operate within the scope of their programming and the datasets they are trained on, which can introduce biases or inaccuracies if the data is not comprehensive or is skewed. This limitation not only affects the reliability of AI, but also raises ethical concerns regarding fairness and representation. Complex decision-making scenarios that require ethical considerations or navigate ambiguous regulations also present a challenge for AI. The subtleties of legal reasoning or ethical dilemmas, which require a deep understanding of societal values and norms, are areas where AI's algorithmic approach may fall short compared to human judgment. In summary, while AI significantly enhances efficiency and capabilities in various tasks, it is not poised to replace roles that require emotional intelligence, creative and innovative thinking, ethical judgment, and deep interpersonal interactions. The potential for AI to create new jobs. While concerns loom over AI's capacity to displace certain roles, it's crucial to recognize its ability to forge new career paths and industries. The automation of repetitive tasks by AI not only enhances productivity but also opens avenues for human workers to engage in more complex, creative, and emotionally nuanced work. The need for AI system development, management, and ethical oversight introduces a demand for new skill sets, spawning roles such as AI ethicists, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. Furthermore, as AI continues to evolve and integrate into various sectors, it stimulates demand for jobs in AI maintenance, updates, and improvement, as well as roles focused on human-AI interaction. These emerging careers highlight the dynamic nature of the job market in response to technological advancements, underscoring the opportunity for growth and adaptation in the face of AI's expansion. Preparing for an AI-driven future. Navigating the path to an AI-centric world demands a proactive stance from various societal sectors. For individuals, this means embracing lifelong learning and upskilling to remain competitive and versatile in an evolving job landscape. Emphasis should be placed on cultivating skills that AI is unlikely to replicate soon, such as emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and creative problem-solving. For organizations, the focus should shift towards reskilling employees and integrating AI technologies in a way that complements human abilities, enhancing productivity and innovation while safeguarding jobs. Moreover, businesses and educational institutions must collaborate closely to develop curricula that reflect the demands of an AI-influenced economy, ensuring that the workforce is equipped with both the technical and soft skills necessary for future roles. Policymakers play a crucial role as well, by implementing regulations that encourage ethical AI development and use, protecting privacy and promoting digital literacy at all levels of society. By fostering an environment of continuous learning and adaptability, we can better prepare for an AI-driven future, ensuring that technological advancements serve to augment human work rather than replace it. This collaborative and forward-thinking approach will be key to maximizing the benefits of AI while minimizing its risks, paving the way for a future where technology and humanity progress hand in hand. While AI presents significant advancements, its limitations and tasks requiring emotional intelligence and creativity suggest it won't entirely replace human work. History shows technological shifts lead to job displacement and creation, and AI is creating new career paths. To prepare for an AI-driven future, individuals must embrace lifelong learning, while organizations focus on reskilling and responsible integration. Collaboration between sectors is vital to address ethical concerns and ensure equitable access to opportunities. By fostering adaptability, we can harness AI's benefits while preserving the value of human work.